let's get straight into it. Stellar Lumens against BTC. Yes, a super spike up, which we caught. I'm going to be harping on this again and again and again. This was something which we caught on the 28th of June. Yes, we already caught this. And where was this? 28th of June. Yeah, this was our entry here. we were already expecting a spike, and eventually it did spike. Anyway, we think that Stellar Lumens could be on its way out of the resistance line, right? This is a 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to assume this is a 4th touch. 4 touches of the resistance line. Eventually, it is just going to break. But because it is slanted, even if we do break, there could be deep retraces, right? Very deep retraces before we see any clear spike towards the moon for Stellar Lumens against BTC. This doesn't really look like a proper reversal chart pattern yet. If we were to just consolidate here, do nothing for many months, then yes, this could be an amazing move coming on for Stellar Lumens against BTC. We could build a very big wave 2. We get a wave 3, 4, 5, maybe something like that. Or this whole thing could just be a wave 1. We could come down for a proper wave 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, we don't really know exactly what's going to happen here yet, but yeah, we're just gonna focus on here first, right? And even if you were to see a consolidation, it's probably gonna take several months. There is also that possibility we could still head back under the skinny pink line, head back down, and maybe form something like a ABCD here. Sure, of course. But as it stands, we will still hold on to our stash over here, which we acquired on the 28th of June, and yeah, it's already August, June. Is it June? 20th of June. Yes, okay, it's June. I was thinking July, so no, it's June. And this was an inverse head and shoulders. You see this? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, zip up. Any clear signs of a continuation? Yeah. This looks to me like a consolidation, right? We keep getting lower highs and higher lows. But the question we have is this the low? I don't think so. I think we're going to get another low, right? This would look more proportionately pleasant, right? We get something like this over here. And then we zip higher. Whoa, this would be awesome, right? But again, we still don't see any clear moves yet for Stellar Lumens against BTC. So we're just going to take things one step at a time for Stellar Lumens, BTC. Stellar Lumens against USDT. Same thing as well. The movements are same across both pairs. We're already above the skinny pink line. Is there a possibility that we could still? Yeah, of course. But are we anticipating more upside? Yeah, we are. Are we in a consolidation? Yes, we are. Symmetrical triangle? Yes, it does. It does look like a symmetrical triangle. At this point of time, things can always morph into something else over time. But as it stands, it's a symmetrical triangle. And symmetrical triangles are bullish continuation chart patterns. So we're anticipating Stellar Lumens to hit higher, right? We were saying probably 25 cents. Probably, what is this? 25 cents. We have a target. We don't know if it's too high or not, but the target of 25 cents still remains. So where is 25 cents? Yeah, here. So maybe this is just a 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 waves, 5th wave up. Potentially, this could be Stellar Lumens. So again, I'd be very, very careful about making a move here. We're above the skinny pink line, so there is a very big buffer over here, which means that we could still head lower for Stellar Lumens before seeing some sort of a reversal. So we don't know how much lower things are going to go, but we are still anticipating Stellar Lumens to eventually head back up. Of course, if Bitcoin collapses, Stellar Lumens is going to collapse as well. So nothing is written in the stars for Stellar Lumens. But as it stands, we're already in a bullish trend, right? We are already above the skinny pink line. Every time we go above the skinny pink line, we switch our bias to bullish, and we would anticipate more upside for Stellar Lumens. Let's say, for example, we go back in time, right? And we did, let's say, this, right? So at this point of time, we saw Stellar Lumens. It broke above the skinny pink line. And we are kind of in a consolidation, right? Something like a symmetrical triangle. But we will also be anticipating like more upside, right? For Stellar Lumens, right? So eventually, you know what happened? Yeah, we actually rose higher, right? This was the, where was this? Symmetrical triangle that came in, right? Up, down, zip. right? We are already above the skinny pink line, and we anticipate Stellar Lumens to stay above the skinny pink line, right? Our bias is already bullish. So, and you don't always get tradable chart patterns. Was there any clear tradable chart patterns over here before we zipped up? No. Right. I mean, of course, if you look at the bigger picture, this is an inverse head and shoulders, right? But as it stands, we don't have any clear tradable chart patterns for Stellar Lumens at this point of time, right? Could we turn into a bullish chart pattern of sorts? Yeah, sure, of course. But we're anticipating not exactly a straight line up, but yeah, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, right, we shall remain with our bullish bias for Stellar Lumens. The future looks bright as of now. Things can always change, but as of now, it still looks bright.